Hello dear student, I'm glad to welcome you to our today's mathematics learning session. We are studying even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. In our last lesson, we learned about even numbers. Even numbers. And we say that an even number is a number that is exactly divisible by 2. An even number is a number that is exactly divisible by 2. And such a number must end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Any number that ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that is an even number. In our today's lesson, I want us to learn about odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Now these are numbers. I want you to write down. These are numbers. Numbers which are not divisible, which are not divisible by 2. These are numbers which are not divisible by 2, and such numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Any number that ends with 1 or ends with 3, or the last digit is 5, the last digit is 7 or 9, that is an odd number. And these numbers are not divisible by 2. So let's have an example. We are going to have an example. Which of the following are odd numbers? Which of the following are odd numbers? Which of the following are odd numbers? A, 17, B, 48, and C, 93. So let's start with the A answer. Let me write here answer. Let's start with the A. This A here. The number 17, this one ends with 7. This number ends with 7. Therefore 17 is an odd number. 17 is an odd number. We say that an odd number is a number that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. This one ends with 7. This 7 is one of the numbers here that makes a number to be odd. Okay. The second one, B. the number 48, the number 48 ends with 8. It ends with 8. Therefore 48 is not an odd number. Is not an odd number. Odd numbers, all odd numbers must end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and you see this one ends with 8. Therefore it's not an odd number. How about C, 93? Now the number 93 ends with 3. Therefore 93 is an odd number. Okay, 93 is an odd number. Why is it an odd number? It is an odd number because it ends with 3, and these 3 you have said here, for a number to be an odd number, it must end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 3 is one of the numbers, so 93 is an odd number. Learners, I want to give you some exercises. Okay, I'll give you exercises, and these exercises are very good for you so that you can be able to master, can be able to do what? Can be able to understand better. When you exercise, you understand better, and you become very smart. Become very what? Become very good. So the exercise, let me write it down. Exercise. I write the exercise on the board. I write the exercise on the board. Number 1. Write down the next. Write down the next 8 odd numbers in this pattern. Starting with 3, 5, 7, 9. So you write the next. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down the next 8 odd numbers. So you will fill in these spaces. Then number 2, the second exercise, write down the missing odd numbers. Write down the missing odd numbers in the pattern below. In the patterns below. So A, we have 51 dash 59. B, 83 dash 91. Then next we have C, 101 dash, no, it's not dash, but 103 dash 109. Then number 3, which of the following are odd numbers? Which of the following are odd numbers? 4, 7, 9, 13, 17, 20, 25, 51, 197, 71, 03, 41, 15. So learners, I want you to do these exercises. Then when we meet, I will be able to answer your questions. If you have any question, I'll answer your questions. But in the meantime, go and do these exercises before you attend our next lesson. Thank you for being a good student, and may God bless you.